Osaka Japan, Doha Japan, Yuki ni. I'm going to have Q&A time today. I will answer some questions you guys usually ask. I will answer this time. There are many new followers here. 10,000 people followed me in recent 1 week. So I should introduce myself first. And Kuya Yuki, taga Osaka sa Japan, 36 years old. I married Filipina, Bisaya, taga sa Bohol. And I'm pure Japanese and my parents are pure Japanese. I'm born in Japan, grown up in Japan also. It was 5 years ago, and 2017, May, I met my wife. She was working for an English school, and I joined the school online, and I met her. And I went to Cebu 5 years ago, in 2017. It was the first time to visiting to the Philippines, and I couldn't speak English, of course Bisaya, only Japanese. I studied English for several years. After that, we married. Nagkasal mi sa Tagpila city sa Bohol sa 2019, just before the pandemic. I greeted something in Bisaya. In our wedding, I said something like,
Maya hapon, salamat sa inyong pagtamon sa among kasal.
And guests got surprised.
This Japanese can speak Bisaya.
Their surprised faces are very obvious, so that's ecstasy for me to surprise people using Bisaya. So I decided to study Bisaya. So I've been studying Bisaya for almost 3 years. That's the reason why I speak Bisaya. A little bit. Listen mag-Bisaya actually. Here, I'm studying Bisaya. Nagtuong kog Bisaya adlaw sa Osaka, Japan, Doha, Japan. People ask me where I visited. Nakadto ko sa Cebu o Bohol, of course including Lapu-Lapu and Panglao. Humot kayo PH care. Humot actually. Good smell. Okay, next. What's bulad? Unsay bulad? Dried fish. Bulad is dried fish. I don't usually eat Filipino dried fish. I eat dried fish of Japanese products. Wala pa. Maybe after the pandemic. I was planning to go for honeymoon before the pandemic, but pandemic canceled our plan. I was going to make a baby in our honeymoon, but it's canceled. Saba, uy, pisting yawa. What's the question? Dako kayo. Japanese like to follow the rule. Maybe you've seen something, the picture in the station, and there's stairs and it's separated for going up and going down. Actually, people can go either, but everyone goes right side. Japanese follows the rule. But Filipino are like, I don't know how to say, but sometimes they can, in good meaning, they can break the rule. Essential. Filipino are essential, I think. She's working in school now. We are living in Osaka, Japan together. She's going out for her work. Naa akong asawa sa gawas para siyang trabaho. Your name, Yuki, means snow, diba? But my name doesn't mean snow, Yuki. That's different pronunciation. My name is Yuki. My name is Yuki. Yuki and Yuki. That's different. My name means brave or courage, fighting spirit. I'm system engineer. I've been working as a system engineer for 16 years, since 2005. Since when I was 18, just after graduating high school. and I didn't go to college or university. I was already good at programming. I didn't choose any course. The high school I graduated is only normal course. I haven't chosen IT course. I think they are the same. Sometimes Filipinos are friendly, but sometimes shy. I don't feel the difference. But Japanese are not good at English actually. Many Japanese are not used to speak to foreigners. But in the same language skill, they look the same, in my opinion. Yes, you noticed it. 2 editors working for me for my video, and they're good, very good. They help me a lot. Actually, that's kind of my character. Character. Good. Nice kaayo. Why my favorite movie? Lalaki's dream video. Actually, that's not porn, because that's bulad. In Japanese law, porn videos are illegal, and Lalaki's dream movies are not porn, because the bulad, and they are just acting, they are just not doing something. So that's not illegal, still legal. Japanese law. I hope I can go either, following my emotion. Wala. Only Filipino. I'm doing this just for Filipino, not doing for Japanese yet. I'm planning it. What do you mean? Okay, next. No, I didn't choose by nationality. I just choose, or I'm chosen by personality. Siomai. Frozen siomai. 300 yen, 200 yen. So, 100 pesos or 150 pesos. Oo, gwapo kaayo ko. They are good at making or hair arrange. Naay daghang mga fashion magazine sa Japan. The content in magazines are very good, well organized, and hair salons are very skilled. The Japanese are very good at arranging hair. Maybe that's the secret. Salamat sa pagtaon sa akong live, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Mayong adlaw. Bye bye. PHQ. What's the smell? Flower. Sana all.